Welcome to Bingemerica. The world is filled with adorable animals of all shapes, sizes, and colors. Some animals can be defined by their cuteness, while others are known for the fear they inspire. But there's also a third, more confusing category of adorable animals that are more than ready to mess you up, given the opportunity. We call this group of creatures dangerously cute. So in this video, we're going to tell you about the adorable animals that are actually deadly. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Pufferfish. They may be extremely cute looking, but pufferfish is the most poisonous vertebrate in the world. Certain internal organs, such as the liver and eyes, and sometimes the skin, contain tetrodotoxin, a substance that makes them foul-tasting and often lethal to fish. To humans, tetrodotoxin is deadly, up to 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide. There is enough toxin in one pufferfish to kill 30 adult humans, and there is no known antidote. Amazingly, the meat of some pufferfish is considered a delicacy in Japan and is called fugu. Pufferfish are poor swimmers and are very vulnerable to predators. Instead of trying to escape, pufferfish will ingest huge amounts of water and even air when necessary into their highly elastic stomachs, quickly turning themselves into a virtually inedible ball several times their normal size. Pandas. Panda bears are one of the most adorable deadly animals in the animal kingdom. Why do pandas spend 12 hours a day eating bamboo, which constitutes 99% of their diet? Bamboo has only a small amount of nutrients and is very fibrous. Reporting in a recent issue of Science, researchers found that pandas survive off of bamboo by conserving energy. By analyzing stool samples from 3 wild and 5 captive giant pandas over the course of a year, the scientists were able to tell how much energy the pandas has expanded each day. They expected pandas to have low metabolisms, but they were surprised at just how low it was. Exceptionally low, equal to the 3-toed sloth, and much lower than the koala. Perfect platypus. Platypus, also called duckbill, is a small amphibious Australian mammal noted for its odd combination of primitive features and special adaptations, especially the flat, almost comical bill that early observers thought was that of a duck sewn out of the body of a mammal. Adding to its distinctive appearance are conspicuous white patches of fur under the eyes. The fur on the rest of the body is dark to light brown above, with lighter fur on the underside. The platypus is common in waterways of eastern Australia, where it generally feeds on bottom-dwelling invertebrates, but also takes an occasional frog, fish, or insect at the water's surface. This shy creature forages most actively from dusk to dawn, sheltering during the day in burrows dug into stream banks. It is exquisitely adapted for its aquatic lifestyle, having a flattened torpedo-like body, dense waterproof fur, and strong front limbs used for swimming as well as digging. Hippopotamus. Hippos are one of the most dangerous animals in all of Africa. They are estimated to slay around 3,000 people each year. One such casualty of hippo aggression was a grandmother from Michigan. She was on an African safari when she was mauled by a hippo. One of the worst cases of hippos ambushing humans was in 2014 when 12 children and an adult perished when a hippopotamus overturned a boat near Niger's capital, Niamey. Don't ever underestimate the strength of a hippo. They're a tank of the animal kingdom. Even lions know that they can't take down a hippo one-on-one. In fact, the single hippo can have the power to fend off an entire pride of lions. The Daily Mail reports that in 2014, a giant hippo took on a pride of lions when they tried to make him a meal. Slow loris. The slow loris is one of the rarest and cutest primates in the world. There are 5 known species of slow loris found in southeastern Asia. It is a nocturnal primate and moves very slowly. The cute slow lorises have large front-facing eyes and strong hands that give excellent grip while climbing the trees. It is a truth that slow lorises are irresistibly cute, but keep in mind that it is a poisonous creature. In fact, the only living poisonous primate on Earth. They have glands on the sides of their elbows. When slow lorises get threatened, these glands would release a foul-smelling toxic fluid. Then this primate licks some of the poison from the gland and mixes it with its saliva and bites the one who disturbed it. This poison could cause allergic reactions and even anaphylactic shock. Interestingly, slow lorises have cobras-like patterns and movements. They also have an acute sense of smell, which helps them locate the prey at nighttime. Blue-ringed octopus. At first glance, the blue-ringed octopus looks perfectly innocuous. Its psychedelic coloring and pint-sized packaging make it seem more adorable than alarming. But don't let its cuddly exterior fool you. This tiny octopus can kill you. Native to the Pacific Ocean, the blue-ringed octopus can be found in the soft, sandy bottom of shallow tide pools and coral reefs. When not seeking food or a mate, blue-ringed octopuses often hide in crevices, shells, or marine debris. If you catch them outside of their cozy hiding spots, it's easy to see how the animal gets its name. When threatened, bright blue rings appear all over its body as a warning signal to potential predators. Although all octopuses, as well as cuttlefish and some squid, are venomous, the blue-ringed octopus is in a league of its own. It's no surprise that it's recognized as one of the most dangerous animals in the ocean. Polar bear. Polar bears are quite simply the biggest carnivores on land. Because their icy habitat has little vegetation to offer them, they're the most carnivorous of all bear species. They have huge bellies to fill and take advantage of food as it presents itself. They're also dangerous because they're skilled apex predators. They can easily outrun a human and knock its head off with a swing of its pawed fist. This means, as cute as they can be, the polar bear is quite functionally the great white shark of the north. It is adapted well to do its job of eating animals. Mainly, they eat seals that poke their heads out of the water for air, but they'll eat anything else they stumble across too, like birds, beluga friggin' whales, and walruses. The best approach is to back slowly away. Fast movement will likely provoke an attack, either because it feels threatened, or your cowering will trigger it to see you as prey. Leopard seal. The leopard seal, Hydruga leptonix, is a species of marine mammals called seals, which are commonly found in the pack ice formation of the Antarctic and subantarctic islands. These Antarctic seals have also been sighted on the coasts of South Africa, South America, New Zealand, and Australia. Its reptilian-like face and gigantic jaws render it one of the apex predators in the Antarctic regions, making it capable of even killing sharks, as well as making them the most dangerous seal species in the world. Leopard seals, though a highly intelligent seal species, are not known to be very sociable, and they prefer to hunt alone as solitary animals. Compared to other seals, they are known to be the most aggressive predators of the Antarctic and subantarctic regions. A leopard seal's main diet includes fish, squid, krill, penguins, and even elephant seal pups occasionally can live up to 25 years. Domestic cat. Although cats can be extremely cuddly and cute, some breeds tend to have a slightly feistier side. Some owners find this independent and sassy side adorable, but many find it too much. Feline aggression is one of the most common problems in domesticated cats. These cat breeds are also known to nip and bite, and there are many reasons for this behavior. Examples could be having a short temper, being overexcited, afraid, wanting extra attention, or being sensitive to human touch. The Sphinx breed requires much attention, sweaters for their hairless bodies, and their demands to be met. These are very needy cats and have been known to act out aggressively when they don't get what they want. For Sphinx, miniature clothing must be on hand at all times, as they grow angry when their meowing requests aren't met. To keep their sharp claws retracted, it's recommended to abide by these felines' rules. Keep them warm and keep their food bowls full. Raccoon. The raccoon is a cute, medium-sized mammal inhabited in wooded areas across North America. Raccoons are known for their beautiful, dense gray fur and dark facial mask. It's a nocturnal creature. They're also found during the daytime. Raccoons are extremely adaptable, live even in urban areas. You need to be careful if raccoons live around your home, because they can cause diseases and property damage. The direct attack from raccoons on humans is a rare case, but they carry dangerous rabies and roundworms. The raccoon is a very curious creature and searches everywhere to find food. This behavior leads to damage to your properties. They destroy plants and dig out gardens or lawns. Raccoons also may attack your pets. Their diet includes fruits, nuts, grains, insects, rats, squirrels, frogs, and small birds. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications.